Okay, Myles, so the first paper one that I marked for you, you scored 40 on. So I'm looking for an improvement on that this time. Great start. Almost perfect. This is where you've gone wrong. The mode is the number of children that's going to occur most often. 10 occurs the most, which shows that the mode is 2. So on that you have scored 17 out of 18. You lose the 1 mark there for that. Hang on, 5, 2 there, so 17, yeah. Graph is good, well done, yeah. 5.7 is okay. BC is correct, that is correct, that is wrong. So, this one, perpendicular to DC means at right angles to. You need to know what that means. It means at right angles, 90 degrees. So if this is the line DC, AE is the one that's at right angles to it. And then angle BCE, BCE is this angle here. Okay, so you need to get your angle measurer, put the center of the angle measurer on C, and you need to have the 0 lined up with the rest of the line. So you're going to position it like that, and then you're going to count up from 0, so it isn't the inside one because that's counting down, so we're turning to 110 degrees for BCE. So make sure that you can do that yourself. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 4, 7 for that page. That's correct, that's correct, that's correct, and so is that. So you get full marks on that page, well done. And here, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, that's right. That's wrong with you. Because what's happening here is these are going up. First of all, add 4, then add 5, then add 6, which means that that one is wrong, but then add 7, which you've correctly done. So that second term there is correct. And then the next one should be add 8, which for you, because that one's wrong, what you've done there is also correct, so you would get the marks for that. Okay, it's not 6x, x equals 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So I can't give you the mark for 6x. I can give you that one because that one's right. That one's right as well. And so is that. So that's good. 2, 4, 6, 8 for the page. .4104 is correct. That's the method you use. That is fine. 1/8 is 6. So 3/8 is 3 times 6, which is 18. So you haven't finished that one off. That's correct. 64 is right. Neither of those are prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that only themselves and 1 go into. Well, 5 and 10 go into that one because it ends in a 0, and 5 goes into that one as well. So neither of those are right with you. It is 8, but that 5 times 5 is 25. So that's not right. It isn't 3.63, it's 2.63. That's right with you. 5 from 7 is 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for the page. It's not 6x, it's 6 plus x. You're going to be adding those two values together to get the total. It's not y equals y plus 25. It's not an equation for starters. It's y times 25 you're looking for there, and there you're looking for 2 meters less than b is going to be b take away 2. We will practice these in class. And here you have lost that minus sign there. That should be negative. So the 9r bit is right, but that bit is wrong. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that is right as well. So you got your 6 marks there, 1 there, 7 for the page. Right, so your method is wrong here. What you need to be doing is, first of all, spotting what those 2 little lines mean. They mean it's an isosceles triangle, and that means those 2 angles are the same. Take a look how I've gone through that question on my video clip. Make sure you can follow it. That's fine. That's okay as a line of best fit, but that's wrong. So what you should be doing here now, using your line of best fit, there's 165. I can see what's happened now, you've gone in at 155. That needs to be there. So 4 there for that one, 4 for the page. No, because people are all different heights and weights, yes, but what they're looking for is for you to be able to say that there's no way of telling the order that they were measured from the graph. Well done. That's really impressive. I don't think anybody else has got full marks on that question. That was right. That one's wrong because there's also one that should be there. That one's right, and that one's right. So you've got 3 out of the 4. No, they don't have to be the same length as each other. They've just got to add up to a value greater than the bigger side. That's right, well done. 8D, take 12, add 15, that's right with you. 13D should be negative, and that should be plus. So you've got your signs muddled up there when you're adding. You've got 8D, take away 21D is going to be negative 13, but then you're going from minus 12 and adding 15 is going to become a positive value on your number line. So you've got rid of the bracket correctly, but then you've lost the equation, and both of those are wrong. Okay, so again, watch how I explain that on the video clip and make sure you can work out what you've done wrong there. 5, 7 for the page. So what did I say? You scored 40 last time, Myles. I think you've beaten that. Let's see. 17, 24, 32, 40, 47, 54, 58, 65, 72. Good stuff. That's a grade C. So that's a huge improvement in 2 weeks. What we need to make sure now is that you can maintain the effort that you've put into that, because that's really good. Well done, Myles.